Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and creating the scaffold so you can move immediately into building. First, confirm your stack: HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript, plus a JSON or CSV source for lock entries. Once done, make a project folder with index, HTML styles, CSS, and index data. JSON. You should also add lock SVGs or images into an assets folder. This lets you fetch data and render entries dynamically. Now open index. HTML. You now implement the core rendering and interactivity so users can find locks quickly. Start by fetching your JSON. Parse it to an array and loop to create DOM nodes, a card with image, title, description, and a link to the lock detail. Once rendered, attach event listeners for search, sort, and filter controls. Use a debounce of about 300 ms for search input to avoid excessive re-renders. Make sure to separate data logic from DOM updates, so updates remain predictable and performant. You finish by polishing behavior, accessibility, and deployment so the index page is reliable. Implement lazy loading or pagination to handle many entries, add semantic markup and area attributes for screen readers, and ensure keyboard focus and visible states. Once done, build and deploy to your chosen host and test on multiple devices and network speeds. If entries fail to load, check console for fetch errors, confirm correct MIME and CORS headers, and verify the JSON path. Fixing those typically resolves most loading problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.